Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we're reviewing a new AI tool. It's called Decktopus AI. This is one of the best AI tool for generate your presentation just one click. Now we'll log in and you'll find the link in the description. Create your account and here let's choose the YouTube. Click continue and here Decktopus AI. Here you create your presentation just one click. Past the subject, want to create your description, your presentation about it, and click generate. Here to find two options: copy other website or click on generate with AI. Now AI will generate me a full presentation about my topic. Now here it's write the content where the all slide content and will generate me image and infographics. Here you can add anything on this slide or remove any text. It's finished now. Here you can add any other slide if you want, modify on a text or click generate. Now it start generate me a full presentation in just one click. Look at this presentation for my growing hacking. Look at this two slide, number 3 slide, and you can add other slide if you want. Click on edit. You can edit the text, edit the slide, color, or add new slides. This is a for free. It's a better on Canva actually. Here the presentation looks like. You can download it on your desktop. And Decktopus AI have a three plan for pricing. This is the planning. You can start with the Pro. If you want to try Decktopus AI, you'll find the link in the description. And see you the next one.